Click Edit Video, then add plain background. Now add element library layer. Now we're gonna add beat for our guide later. To add beat, adjust the element to 0.5 second, 1 OS, 1.5 second, 2.0 seconds duration. Add beat every adjustment. The final duration is 2.5 seconds. Now add image layer. Then adjust it also to 2.5 seconds duration. Now click keyframe, then transform. Scale 55. Now duplicate the layer and replace it with another photo. Duplicate it again and replace. Now go to keyframe, then transform and adjust the position. Click the lowest layer and adjust its position from keyframe. Transform. Click the upper layer, then go to keyframe. Add effect, perspective. Add KF at the first and third beat, horizontal, 0 to 180 degree. Add this graph. Now let's edit the 3D light. Same KF position from the horizontal rotation, then adjust the lights on your desired edit. You can also copy mine and add more for more lights movement. Click the 3 dots, then copy. Now go to R2N layer, then paste the perspective effect on it. Click perspective, then move the KF on the second and fourth beat. Again copy perspective, then go to our last layer and paste the effect there. I didn't think that I copy all adjustment, so I will just bring back its original position. Now click perspective, then move the KF on third and at the end of the clip. Now go to keyframe, then at effects, dust border. I just changed the color of it. Then copy this effect to paste it over to other layer. Now let's make a group. Just drag the layer to another layer and click Create New Group. For the next layer, you will choose the Add to Group. Now go to KF, then Transform. Scale. Add KF at 0 o'clock and at the second beat. Add graph. Now add parent layer. Then click group layer. Go to KF, Transform. Scale, 100 to 225. Add KF at first and third beat. Now add KF at position, then adjust it like this, then add graph. Add another parent layer. Add KF at second and fourth beat, then adjust the position and add graph. Add again parent layer, KF at third beat and at the end of the layer. Then done. Thank you for watching.